So KeepHIFI sent me this package and they want me to check out their product. When I got to their website, keephifi.com, I was impressed by the level of quality of earphones, wired, wireless that they have. So I told them, okay, come on, send it and we're going to test it out smart depot style. But then it wasn't funny. This package that they sent to me got lost. I mean, they just sent me a mail like, oh, maybe it's lost in transit and all that. But I remember they had sent me the tracking number before. So I myself like, okay, let me just check what I can do. I went in to track it and I discovered that it was with a Speed Air. So fortunately for me, it was one of the main guy that delivers my stuff that, was assigned to it after the first person, lost the contact. To cut the long story short, earlier this year when the guy came to deliver it for me, I was on retreat. My phone numbers were off and he came 3 times. He even had to knock off my gate and all that. And so I later came back and I saw the mail from, the KeepHIFI, which is very, very good customer service. I mean, I really, 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 really recommend. I've not even started dealing with them, but their customer service, the person that was assigned to me, I think it's Floria, was following me up or sending me messages, was giving me updates, was like, okay, so they have found this and that because of that. And I was like, wow. And when I went to the website, of course, they have free shipping over $30 if you're buying anything from their website, and they have lots of quality. I mean, you can see that for yourself. And also they have 30 days return, free return if you don't like it, and they have secure payments. We're going to unbox this one and make sure you subscribe, follow, like, share. And then already we have done a review of this one, the Real Fit, which is for me is the best entry-level wireless earbud that you can get in terms of quality and value for money. Good thing is that I'll also unbox this one and have something to refer it to. Of course, KeepHIFI is a higher quality than this, but we're going to see, practically how is it. This one is still on sale. The link will be in the description. If you go in, it's about $8 to $10 right now. But the quality of this, also watch the review and then see for yourself. So yeah, so thank you KeepHIFI for sending this across to us. Of course, we're going to do it justice, smart depot style. So make sure you like, share, subscribe. And the next video about this will be the unboxing of this. I don't even know what's in the box. I've not opened it yet. So we're going to unbox it together, open it, and then review it. So thank you, KeepHIFI, and thank you for watching, because without you, we won't be getting something like this. And make sure you like, share, subscribe, and until I see you in that next video, it is peace to our world.